In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create carousel posts on Reddit. A carousel post lets you share multiple images or videos in a single post so people can swipe through your content, which is perfect for tutorials, before and after sets, event highlights, or product shots. Start by logging into your Reddit account. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click the Create button with the plus sign. That opens the Post Composer. At the very top of the composer, there's a drop-down where you choose where your post will live. Click it and select the community or subreddit you want to post to. It's a good idea to pick the community first, so the composer shows the options that subreddit allows. Next, switch the post type to images and videos using the tab near the top. If you don't see that tab, the community may not allow media posts, so consider choosing a different subreddit that supports galleries. Now add your post title. Keep it clear and descriptive so people instantly understand what they'll see when they swipe through your carousel. Click the Upload Media icon. Your computer's file browser will pop up. Select all the images and videos you want in your carousel. You can choose multiple files at once, then confirm your selection by pressing Enter or clicking Open. Give Reddit a moment to upload each file. Larger files and slower connections may take longer. Let everything finish before moving on to avoid missing items in the gallery. When the upload's complete, you'll see a carousel preview right in the composer, complete with arrows to move through each item. Click through to make sure everything looks right. If you want to change the order, hover over the carousel and click Edit All. A pop-up will appear showing all your media as thumbnails. Drag and drop to rearrange them into the exact sequence you want. Remember, the first item will act like your cover image in feeds, so choose the most eye-catching one for the front. When you're happy with the order, click Save. Give your post one last look. Double-check the title, the selected community, and the carousel order. If everything is set, click Post at the bottom right to publish. That's it. Your carousel is live and ready for viewers to swipe through. If you run into issues, check that your files meet Reddit's size and format requirements and that your internet connection is stable. Also, always follow each community's rules to help your post stay up and visible.